Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can use reference photos in Midjourney. For example, I have a reference photo right here. I will drag and drop the picture into the Midjourney to upload the picture. So I will hit enter and the picture will be uploaded. And then I will click the image. I will right click and I will select copy link. And then I will go to the text box and type /settings. I will hit enter to open the settings, and I have to make sure that the latest version of Midjourney has been selected. In my case, right now Midjourney has 6.1 is the latest version of Midjourney. So I will select 6.1 and then again I will type /imagine and I will type my prompt as an animated dog eating this hot dog. I will give a space and I will paste the link of the picture that I have just copied by entering or typing Ctrl+V. I will give another space and I will type --IW. IW stands for image weight. And then I will give another space and I will type the amount of weight that I want in my picture. For example, I will set it to max, which is 2. So I will type 2, and after you hit enter, your image will be used as a reference photo in Midjourney, and that's how you do it. And you also need a Midjourney subscription to do this. If you follow my tutorial step by step, then you have successfully used a reference photo in Midjourney. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.